Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon to all. We are here in Dinosaurs Island. Wow, look here. Dinosaurs. Oh. Here we go. Wow. Whoa. Look. Oh. Wow, the Dino Trail. Look. Oh. Wow. Oh, JJ is so happy. How about JM? Run! Oh.
Brachiosaurus.
Oh, dinosaurs. Yeah, very nice, guys. Okay, so nice here. We are in Dinosaurs Island. Here we go. We are in Clark. Enjoy na enjoy yung mga kids. Oh, Dinosaurs Island here in Clark. Wow. And so nice. Whoa. Oh look, oh, tingnan mo si Jijel. Happy na happy yung anak ko, Jinja sir, with my wife. And also GM Malakay. You look, oh Jijel. Bro. Yeah. Oh, dinosaur. Oh. Stegosaurus. Ano yan? Stegosaurus?
Stegosaurus.
Dinosaurs Island. Here we go.
Yeah. We're here in the ribs of...
Oh, what happened to the dinosaurs?
Stegosaurus.
Huh? Oh, look, look. Oh, here we go. Oh, nice. Dinosaurs. Well, dinosaurs. What happened?
Instead, the mouth, and then see a deep ass. Let's continue exploring Dinosaur Island. Jaden.
Whoa. What's the name of?
Brachiosaurus.
Brachiosaurus. Oh.
It's like an elephant.
It's a long neck. Look, oh.
Jadel, say hi, Jadel.
Jadel. Wow. JM. Wow. Oh, that's an egg. That's what we call the egg of the dinosaur's egg. Look at the baby wants to get out. Nasa kanyang egg.
Yeah, baby.
Baby.
Hi, JM.
Oh, so amazing.
Dinosaur Island. continue.
Oh, that's what we call Kentroceros. Kentroceros. Oh, so amazing. Ideal. Wow. Oh, the egg of the
Jaden, look. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Ahead. Oh no, there's a big.
the Tyrannosaurus. I don't know how to read, you know.
Daddy,
Oh, look, there's an egg of the, what we call that one? The Augustinoraptorus. Here we go. We are in T-Rex encounter. Wow. All right. Oh, the dino. The T-Rex. Run. Run. Oh.
come on, Daddy. Come, Jaden. Tara, Jaden.
Wow. Whoa. Dinosaur. T-Rex. T-Rex.
Jaden, come on.
T-Rex. T-Rex. Run. Run, T-Rex. Jibin. Dinosaur.
Ma-picture muna sila dito, ha? Ma-picture kayo, ma'am. Picture muna tayo dito. Look here. Kuya.
Kuya, look.
Thumbs up. Dinosaur.
Sure, hindi lang ako, Bek. Ayoko na camera. May phone mo. Kapangit ng phone mo. Ang dilim.
T-Rex, a little T-Rex. Whoa! Whoa! Meow Sora, the good mother lizard. Oh, yeah, the good mother lizard. Oh, lizard.
High voltage yan! Sa pagkachikan hacks. Baby! Wow, look at that.
Just picture just.
Huh? Look at that.
Daddy, picture daddy.
Adi!
Dito pa daddy.
Wow. What is that?
Pitasos.
Daddy, picture mo kami.
Whoa. Whoa. Spinoceros. Oh, the raptors. Oh. Oh, look up the raptor.
dyan eh.
Yan mo na kasi. Oh.
Tingnan kita, sus.
Jaden.
Look at the tooth. Oh, so big. Oh, the tooth of the T-Rex. Okay, pa-exit na kami. Thank you. Dinosaurs. Enjoy na enjoy si Gigel.
Triceratops. Triceratops.
No patras. Rhinoceros.
Triceratops. Summoning.
Jazz.
Oh. Look, oh.
Picture mo dito, Daddy. Kami na. Yes, sir. Smile, kuya. Ito na ba tayo kanina?
Hindi. Dinosaurs. Oh! Dig and discover. The rhinoceros. Dinocyte.
Ha?
That? Oh, T-Rex?
T-Rex.
Yung fun na